19. The shrooms were reproducing like lightning. The explanation looked a little bit frightening. So here's some experts for your lightning. Hi, I'm Dikaryotic David, and we're here to help you learn some things about fungi. These are my partners, Conocytic Connor and Mycelium Matt.
That's right, kids. While I'm named the Fungus Fighters may have the word fight in it, the only thing we're going to fight is adolescent ignorance, which can be the toughest foe of all.
The first thing you need to know is that fungi are so diverse from other organisms that biologists have agreed that they deserve their own kingdom.
I wish I had my own kingdom. Then I could do whatever I wanted and no one could tell me what to do.
That would be cool. But I'm afraid the kingdom to which I'm referring to is a way in which biologists group living organisms on Earth together based on similar characteristics.
Yeah, I guess that wouldn't be as much fun.
But learning about it sure is.
Yeah!
You know, I was walking down the street the other day and I thought to myself, how do we characterize fungi?
You know, I think everyone asks themselves that at some point or another. One character is that most fungi are molds composed of hyphae.
Hey, I took this job to get away from English class.
Don't worry, you're not thinking of hyphens. Hyphae are masses of thread-like filaments.
Phew! That was a close one. Thanks for clearing that up.
Glad we got that straightened out. Moving on, there are two main types of fungi. The type I'm named for, conocentric fungi,
Conocytic fungi.
Have nuclei that lie in a common cytoplasm, while David's namesake, dikaryotic fungi, have walls called septa that separate nuclei within a filament.
Dikaryotic fungi are the coolest.
Well, I guess we'll just have to agree to disagree there. Another little tidbit is that Matt's fighter name, Mycelium, is the result of hyphae growing. Branching, and intertwining, which leads me to another unique characteristic of fungi. They can only move in two ways.
By car and by plane?
Not quite. They can move by either the mycelium growing or by the mycelium producing spores scattered by the wind.
Sounds like my namesake is pretty important to fungi's uniqueness.
Whatever makes you feel better about yourself.
Nice one.
Yeah. But in all seriousness, yes, mycelium are very important. Also important is that fungi's cell walls are made of chitin, which is a tough polysaccharide.
Sounds like my abs are made of chitin. Your hand alright?
Guess not. Lastly, some other defining characteristics include fungi's lack of flagella, their ability to absorb food, and the fact they reproduce using spores.
What you doing there, Matt?
Well, I heard the next part was about mermaids classify fungi, so I was just getting into character.
No, it's about how mycologists, scientists specializing in the study of fungi, classify fungi.
Oh, well you can certainly see how I would mix those two up.
Actually, no. Those two are nothing alike. They don't sound alike, they don't look alike, and they certainly don't function similarly.
Well, then I clearly need to be taught on the subject.
That I can do for you. There are three main phyla of fungi, each with its own unique characteristics. The first is zygomycetes, which have a mycelium that is conocytic and usually reproduce asexually.
What happened to B and C sexually?
They never existed. Asexually means they can produce offspring without a partner, and in the case of zygomycetes, they do it by forming spores and sporangia, which are spore-containing capsules.
Thanks for clearing that up for me.
No prob, it's what I do. The second group are called ascomycetes and are often referred to as sac fungi, since their sexual spores are produced in asci.
Me too. I love to go to Colorado in the winter to do it.
I didn't say I ski. I said asci, which are little sacs.
So, I bet you're all wondering, sure, I know fungi are cool and interesting, but what ecological roles do they play?
I know I was.
Well, for one, since fungi evolved from protists over 430 million years ago, fungi may in fact be responsible for the colonization of land by plants.
Wow. I'll never yell at my pet fungus again for not pulling his own weight.
You have a pet fungus too? Jigs!
Anywho, a type of fungi, mycorrhizae, live on the roots of plants and
Well, I hope you have learned a lot today about fungi and all its many quirks and charms. Until next time, this has been the Fungus Fighters, signing off.
Wait. I have a fungus-related joke. Okay, so Danny and I decided to throw a band party.
No.
And he says, "Why not? I'm a fun guy, get it?"